Well, we're here, and it looks like there's a flood coming down the road. Hopefully we won't drown. Not looking good. I'm definitely getting wet though, I know that. Lord, hope it stops raining soon, I gotta tell you. That road down there, water is pouring down it and right through here.
Are they still in there?
No, lights are out. Door's still cracked, so they may be around somewhere, but they're not in there. All the lights are out and they just left the door cracked open. Keep an eye out.